How's it going, guys? It's Jason from Vape Brothers, and today is the video describing my giveaway. Now, I'm going to go ahead and take a double puff from the two first impressions. You got the Smoke Eye Priv starter kit, and you got the Fat Baby Mesh tank. So here we go. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Oops, I hit the mic. Ooh, baby, though. Damn. Both of those are shaping up to be fucking beasts already. Anyways, yes, I know I'm wearing the same shirt as my as this first impressions videos because I'm doing this right after I did that one, but I want to explain my subscriber giveaway. Now, for those of you who have been recently subscribing, thank you so much for subscribing, but I can't pick you as a winner unless you show that who you are subscribed to publicly. So if you want to win that, make sure to show subscriptions publicly. And I'll reiterate one more time what you'll be winning when you're my 100th subscriber. You'll be winning these 3 juices. Now, these are just the boxes of these juices, but you'll be winning these 3 juices. You got Mystery, Wild Apple, and Blue Raspberry. These are one of my favorites, and this is what I started out with Air Factory. Really good brand if you like candy, if you like Airhead. You like the Airhead candies and everything, they're fucking fantastic. I highly recommend them. I'm gonna take a quick, but ooh, shit. Woo, Raven! Anyway, yeah. So if you guys want to get that, you have to be my 100th subscriber. And I'm going to be watching like a hawk. As soon as you're my 100th subscriber, I'm going to try to contact you in any way. If you are my 100th subscriber and I cannot contact you, I will call your name out in a video, so make sure to keep watching if I can't contact you. Don't just be like, subscribe and then immediately stop watching and hope that you win. So, if I can't contact you, make sure to look in the next video when we break our 100 subscriber mark. I will call out your name, and then you will email me at vapebrother. It's a weird email address, so I'm going to put it on screen right now. If I will email you specifically. So I'll put that on screen. So if I call out your name, and I will be looking, okay? So if I call out your name in the whatever, if I call out your name in the next video and I can't get a hold of you, make sure to email me because I will be watching and I will be looking at and trying to make sure that you are in fact the actual winner. But other than that, thank you guys so much for liking this video. Thank you for coming back and looking at this video first off. And subscribing, because if you are subscribed, you're a winner in my book. But thank you guys so much. On my left here is going to be a video that YouTube recommends for you. On my right is the subscription button. Make sure to fucking hit that button and hit that bell icon so you know when I upload. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.